my social science class. In this year, we are going to talk and discuss about in social science about geography. So I heartily welcome to you all in my geography class. First of all, I want to congratulate to all the students, those who pass out from the 6th standard and now they are in 7th standard. So let's move and talk and discuss about this topic here. So first, I want to show you in this year we are going to talk and discuss about this textbook geography. So this is the textbook of geography, our environment. In this textbook, the geography section, we will going to study about the 10 chapters. So the content page I am going to show you about that. We are going to talk and discuss about the 10 chapters. In that, in today's class, we will talk about the first chapter, environment. So moving further, we will see about the environment. The textbook is totally green. The slide presentation is also talking about the greenness. One hand is uplifting something and carrying something, another hand is giving something, and the tree is there. So all together we are talking about our environment. Our textbook is totally speaking about our environment. So our first chapter is environment. We are going to see and we are going to talk about only about environment. So let's move further to see about what is environment and how the word has been arrived. First, by seeing this environment part 1. So in this part 1 we are going to talk and discuss about what is environment. We will see. The chapter, the whole textbook is talking about only environment. Plus, for what purpose I am stretching all and showing you this greenery. This greenery is talking about we should go always for the green purpose. Next, moving further to discuss about first chapter. So the first chapter, environment, we are going to talk and discuss about 4 concepts here. For your more convenient, I have divided the chapter into the 4 segments. The 4 topics which are written here, the topics are introduction of the environment, components of the environment, and natural environment and human environment. By this 4 topics we are going to cover this chapter. In this chapter we will talk about more and more in detail about the environment. So moving further in this presentation, first I request to all my students, those who are watching this video, I request them to have a pen and a notebook. Whatever the important points comes in the video, you should copy it down in the notebook. And lastly, I want to tell you about that whatever the interesting point, if any doubts and difficulty there, you can send your comments and ask to any inquiry. I will shout out in the next presentation. So moving further to have introduction of environment, we are going on the next slide. Here, introduction of environment. So talking about the word origin, from which language the word origin. So originating language is French, from the French word environment. The environment means neighborhood. Neighborhood, that means our surrounding, right? So first topic is about environment. The word has been derived from the French language, the word environment, which means neighborhood. Moving further here, things that we see in our surrounding, things which we are seeing in our surrounding and forms environment. So moving further, we will talk about what is natural environment, what is human environment, we will see in the next. Then it is the basic life support system. Why we are calling it a basic life support system? Because it provides us air, water, food and land, the basic needs of our life. So all together in the introduction part, what is environment? So environment is one with a basic life support system. Basic life support system. Second one is surrounding. Our surrounding. Our surrounding means nearby our whatever the places are there, they are called as environment. Moving further to discuss more about environment, I want to tell you about everything that we are seeing from this side, from this side, from that side. That is our environment. And for the more clarification, we will go about in the next slide presentation what is natural environment, what is human environment and so on. Next, environment is the basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we are residing. So next point is about that. The environment is the basic life supporting system because they are providing our basic things which is very essential for living. Just we are having the air for breathing, water for drinking, and food and the land for living purpose. Moving to the next slide, we are seeing here how do human beings modify this natural environment. Question is speaking about how do human beings modify this natural environment. So whatever the natural environment was there, the human being modified. For what purpose? For their greeds and for their needs. They started to cut down all the forests, making the agricultural land, and started slowly now we are suffering with the global warming. So dear students, we are continuing with this. The car fumes pollutes the air, the water collected in the pot, food is served in the vessel, and the land is used to build the factories. By all these activities, we are destroying the natural environment. So these are the things by which the human being is destroying. With the help of air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution, we are destroying our environment. Moving to the next, human being makes car, meals, factories, and manufacture containers. This is how human being modify the natural environment. So firstly the question was there, how human being has modified the environment. So by doing all these activity, the human being modified it by manufacturing cars, meals, factory, by different containers. They destroyed, they modified, by infrastructure, by landscapes, different they made. Many more garden, artificial and everything they are making, they are destroying things. Overbridge they are making, overfly bridge, they are railway tracks, everything they are destroying and making their own environment. Moving further, we are going to talk and discuss about our main chapter. The textbook is speaking about here. Here the story starts, a classroom story, a school story, and there are the few children, and the few children are talking about what is environment. They don't know what is environment, but they are worried about their beautiful environment is slowly vanishing from there. So let's see the story here. The story is speaking after a long vacation when Ravi started going to school again. So after a long vacation, who is going to the school? So Ravi, one boy, is going to the school, and he noticed that the only playground next to his school, and next to his school, the playground was there, was dug up. The playground was dug up. Earlier, what was there? We are going to see here. The people said that a huge building with many flats will be constructed there. So many flats are going to be there and a huge building is going to be there. Earlier there was a playground. So the students loves to play in the natural environment. So he was very shocked. Let's see what happened. Ravi was almost in the tear. That means he was having full of unhappiness and sadness. When he realized that the big playground with the soft grass, marigolds and butterfly gone forever because the playground was already dug up and there was no butterflies, no greenery, no marigold flowers, and he shared his feeling with his classmate. He shared his feeling with all the classmates in the assembly. The principal too sadly observed. The principal was also observing very sadly because that was not a part of the school. The playground was just aside to the school. See how our environment is changing. So here the story starts over there. Our environment is changing. Who is changing? Who is responsible for this change? Who is constructing the home? That is also the need. But how we can protect the playground of the children? The children are going to the school. They are watching their surrounding, what is happening there. So their natural environment is going to be modified with the help of human construction. They are making their own construction and human-made environment they are forming. So the natural environment is slowly managing because of the human greed. Then in the class, Ravi asked his teacher, "What is environment?" When the class was going on, in that class, Ravi asked to the teacher, "As I am teaching you this chapter here, so one of you is asking to me, what is environment?" Earlier in the slide presentation, already I cleared you what is environment. So environment is nothing, it's our surrounding and our basic life support system. So here the teacher replied. What the teacher is replying here? Whatever you see in our surrounding, that is environment. So what the teacher is telling here, Ravi asking which question? What is environment? So after seeing the natural environment has gone, what was the natural environment? The playground was there and that was gone. And now the teacher and the student conversation start. As I stated you, the story flows like that. The classroom, the boys entering to the school after a long vacation, as you are coming and we are processing in the learning one. So let's move further. Ravi thought aloud. That means the school building, table, chair in the classroom, even the open field, the roads and the garbage, my friends, all are the part of environment. So here the question arises, the boys thinking about the teacher stated about that everything which you see is our environment. So the boys thinking about the point about that. So all the table, chair, classroom, field, friends, all are the parts of environment. Here the parts of environment. So the answer what will be there? So yes, it's a part of environment. So let's see what the teacher is. She replies, "Yes," said the teacher, "but wait, some objects are created by the nature. For example, mountains, rivers, trees, animals. Other are made by people. For example, roads, cars, clothes and etc." So the teacher is replying, yes, all are the part of environment, but few are created by the nature. So we are going to have a pointing on that. Some part of this is moving into the natural environment. Some part of this is moving into the human-made environment. Just like the road, car, clothes are the example of human-made. And the mountain, trees, animals are natural environment. So moving further to see about that, up to here in the conversation we are seeing the teacher is there and the children are asking the interesting question and they are enjoying the topic of environment. So let's have an overview. So in this particular topic we discuss what? So first we discuss about the word origin. From which word the word environment is there. So already I told you about that, you have to copy down this point. From which language the word environment came? So the French is that. From which word? So environment is the word. So what does it mean? So it means neighborhood, our surrounding. Now the definition we learn about our environment, that everything that we see in our environment forms environment. So the surrounding forms environment and which is our basic life support system. And lastly, what we see, the story of the classroom. In that one boy Ravi was coming to the school after a long vacation and observing many more things. So the story is not ending here. So in the next class we will discuss about more about the story. What the teacher and the students are discussing about environment. We will see in that story and we are going to see many more interesting facts about environment which you make you to surprise. So everything which you are using the notebook, pen and pencil, how to use in a systematic way. So you should not harm the environment. We will discuss that point also in the classroom. So let's move to the next slide. This is the surprise for you. So next, This is clear to you. So this small sapling growing again, growing and somebody is helping. So World Environment Day we are going to celebrate on 5th June 2020. So for this purpose, this is the interesting aside on which day and in which month we are celebrating the World Environment Day. So 5th June we are celebrating. So next point is about that whatever point we have discussed here. So you have to make a note of it, and after noting that all points, the definition of environment you have to keep in mind. Moving further, lastly, those who are watching this video, I personally thank to you for watching this video. Thanking for what purpose? Because every time in the classroom, as I stated to you, with the help of notebook, pen and pencil, you should be ready. So use systematically, because the pencil coming from the environment, the notebook coming from the environment. So all these we have to preserve and conserve. So that will be a very big thank to you. So let's move into the flashback to see the overview once again. This overview was talking about word origin and meaning of that word. Second point, the definition of the environment. What is environment? Our surrounding. Second point, if you are having any doubt and difficulty, surrounding forms. In that, the human-made environment will also include and natural environment will also include, which are the basic supportive system for our life system, because the air which we are breathing is coming from environment, the water which we are drinking coming from the environment, the land on which we are residing, that is from the environment, the crops we are growing, the fruits we are enjoying, the medicines we are taking are all the parts of environment. So they are supporting to our life system. So this basic life support system makes our environment, and this all are the parts of environment. The story flashback, the story of the classroom. What was the story? One student was there. The name of the boy was Ravi. After a long vacation, entering to the school, watching what? The school is here, and aside to school, the playground is no more there. They used to go there, they used to play there, and now the playground is totally dug up. What was there now? Nothing was there. Earlier what was there? There were butterflies was there. Butterfly, when I am talking about a butterfly, the flowers was there. Flowers talking about, there was beautiful grass was there. The soft grass was there. That means the environment was so beautiful over there, and the students were liking too much. After the school, they used to go there, they used to run there, and they used to play. As you all people used to love to visit a beautiful garden, you want to watch the beautiful flowers. So like that, the environment is very, very important. That's why this slide I basically want to focus. All the people thought about that. They think about, take a concern related to environment, because after the environment degradation, so many problems has arisen. Just global warming is one of the concept. The lack of rainfall is one of the concept. The lack of oxygen is one of the concept. As so many concepts are there. So people thought about to celebrate this day, World Environment Day. On that day, teachers, students, community, politicians, many people, society join hand to hand together. They used to celebrate this day. They used to plant number of the things in their garden. They used to have a new sapling. They used to take care of that sapling, and they want to protect. First major concern is to protect the environment. That's why we are celebrating the World Environment Day. So this year also, in the month of June, on the 5th day, we are going to celebrate World Environment Day. As you all know about that, in our school, every year we used to celebrate this, and there is a one theme. So on that basis of the theme, how we can associate ourselves to protect the environment. A very small thing I want to tell you about that. The environment gives so many things to us. So it's our responsibility to give something to environment. That is about not to harm the environment. So in this chapter, we discuss about the first point. So first I want to tell you about taking it as an homework. You have to write the overview of this chapter. You have to memorize the definition of the environment, and you have to see about from which word the environment word is coming, from which language, and the story you have to keep it in the mind. So thank you one and all, and Jai Hind.